నమస్తే, నేను మీ బద్రి సార్. ఈరోజు టుడే వి డిస్కస్ ఏ daily test paper. Last day we are conducting a clock chapter. In that clock chapter, these models are will given. So paper explanation today we are going in our topper institute. So the topic is clock chapter daily wise test paper. In the daily wise test paper, the first test paper today we are conducting, and about this chapter we are now discuss. So here the question given in that question paper: what smaller angle will be the hour hand and minute hand make at 5 hours 15 minutes? All right, once again right, what a smaller angle will the hour hand and minute hand make at 5 hours 15 am? So here given hour hand HH and another hand is minute hand. So between two ends of clock having how much angle means at the time of 5 hours 15 minutes. So of course this is a clock. So 12, 3, 6, 9, these are the major parts. The time indicates the minute hands on exactly 3. The hour hand at just past to the 5. Just past to the 5. It means how many parts are there? It is important. So 3 to 4 one part and 4 to 5 another part. Each and every part contain 30 degrees. It means up to here 3 to 5 we have the 6 degrees. But the hour hand also move towards 6. How much moved? It is 15 minutes. The hour hand per minute how much degrees? Half degrees. So 15 half the 7.5 degrees. It means 7.5 degrees. So up to here how many degrees are there? 30, 30, 60 plus 7.5, 67.5 degrees. This is the answer. It is a one kind of logic. It is a one kind of logic. And I already told the method also. That method is here. Theta is equal 11 by 2 degrees M plus or minus 30 degrees H. The time is given here 5 hours 15 minutes. Please substitute here. So theta is equal 11 by 2 degrees M plus or minus. M means how much here? M is given now. Theta is equal 11 by 2 degrees. M how much given? 15 minutes given. And the hours here 30 into 5. Please substitute. So theta is equal 11 15s are 165 by 2 plus or minus 530 is 150 degrees. So here 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are so 82.5 plus or minus 150 degrees. Between two ends of the difference is the smaller difference here. Theta is equal 67.5 degrees. This is the method. So it is the method of to find the between two ends of clock degrees. So this is already we means here please observe here what the smaller angle will the hour hand and minute hand. So this is the hour hand and the minute hand. The difference between two ends of clock is 67.5 degrees. So we can find out this type of logic method or otherwise that process method. Clear? I think you understand. Or some other methods also. So many methods are there. So but this is the better method between two ends of angle. I hope you understand. One more question. Now next question. The next question here at what time between 3 and 4 o'clock are the hands of a clock together? So together means is nothing but between two hands of clock. Here between 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 between two hands of clock how much degrees are there? Means not degrees, together. Together means you know that having 0 degrees. So when the 0 degrees formula, the shortcut formula here is minutes by 11 formula. So 3 means how many minutes? 15. So 15 15 of 15 by 11. So in the here a mixed fraction is given. So mixed fraction means it is a whole number and it is a proper fraction, but it is not a proper fraction, so that's why we are converted into proper fraction. 11 how many times possible in this? One time. So 16 of 4 by 11. So 16 of 4 by 11 we are here. 16 of 4 by 11 minutes pass to 3. Clear? Or otherwise, one more is a dangerous shortcut I told you in class. That one very simple. If these two values are sum of equal to 10, that is the right answer. But 6 plus 5 how much? 11. So it is not correct answer. Elimination process. And here 6 and 7 plus sum of it, it is 13. It is also not equal. None of this. Here see 6 and 4. 6 and 4 how much? 6 plus 4 how much? 10. So it is the answer. Directly we can say it with option. No need of principles and no need of logics. But in case if you are not conclusions or this type of derived method, then you choose this is the method. So the shortcut method here 6 and 4. 6 and 4 if the given option is 10, then it is the true value, right? ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ చెప్తున్నా మాస్టర్, లాస్ట్ క్లాస్లో కూడా చెప్పాను ఏమని మాస్టర్, ఇచ్చిన ఆప్షన్లో ఈ రెండు స్థానాల విలువల మొత్తం 10 అయితే ఆన్సర్ డైరెక్ట్గా పెట్టవచ్చు. 6 + 4 కలిపితే ఎంత? 10 కావాలి. So that is the answer. If 6 and 7 13, it is not equal to 10. 6 and 5, it is not equal to 10. Not less than 10 or not more than to 10. So 10 కంటే తక్కువ కాదు, 10 కంటే ఎక్కువ కాదు. 10 ఇక్కడ ఆప్షన్ చూడగానే డైరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్. ఈ రెండు వాల్యూస్ని కనుక సమ్ చేస్తే 10 వస్తే అదే ఆన్సర్. లేదనుకుంటే ఇట్లా ప్రాసెస్లో రా, లేదనుకుంటే ఇంకొకటి చెప్పాను మాస్టర్ మీకు షార్ట్ కట్కి వచ్చేటప్పటికి, అంటే ఆ లాజిక్ ఫార్ములా టైప్ కాకుండా మీకు కావాలనుకుంటే ఇట్లా θ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 11 by 2 degrees m plus or minus 30 degrees h. So theta is how much here? Find out. 0 degrees. 11 by 2 degrees m plus or minus 30 degrees into 3 means 3 and 4 madhyala annodu. 3 and 4 o'clock. Between 3 and 4 o'clock. So here 3 30s are 90. 90 degrees are 11 by 2 m. So 90 degrees are converted into time. 2 by 11 is equal to m. So 180 by 11. 180 means 180 లో 11 ఎన్నిసార్లు possible? 11 ones are 11. 11 ones are 11, right? Remainder 7, 70. 11 6 are 66. Remainder 4. So 16 of 4 by 11 minutes. So perfect answer is 16 of 4 by 11 minutes past 3 o'clock. This is the answer. This is one kind of process, and the previous, oh shit. So this is the one process. So two type of process we are here discussed. So better method, which one? Directly answer is the method. This is the answer. In the examination point of, please follow this method. Please follow this method. So numerator value and whole number value. Numerator value and whole number value. In that whole number, if 2 digits are given at the place of one's value, so I rounded this area. Which are these 2 digits value? Sum of equal to always 10, not less than 10 or not more than 10. That is the direct answer. I hope you understand. Thank you. Next, third question please. Right. Please check it. At what time between 5 and 6 are the hands of clock coinciding each other? Coinciding is nothing but 0. So 0 means, please can you find out the direct method? Yes, try. 8 plus, these are 10. One more, 7 plus 3, both are 10. So this time very crucial. So both answers are right? No. One of the answer is right. Which one is the right? Then you can choose. So in this, so we have the doubt. Okay, coincide 5 and 6. 5 means 25 by 11. Our formula is direct, that one, minutes by 11. At the time of 5 o'clock, the minutes hand on 5, it means the minute hand indicates it's 5 for 25. 5 for 25. So in that 25, 11 how many times possible? 2 times. It means 27 of 3 by 11 minutes past 5 o'clock. So 27, it is the answer. Clear? Are you right, sir? Next question, fourth one. At what time between 9 and 10 o'clock will be the hands of a clock be the together? Together is nothing but 0 degrees. Together or coincide or both hands are in the same direction is the 0 degrees. 9 means 45 by 11. It is nothing but 49 of 1 by 11. So 49 of 1 by 11, where this is the answer. Or the shortcut method, here 8 and plus 2 10 sir, and 9 and 1 10 also. Which one is the right answer? This one is the right. Clear? When the given options, at the type options are both are answer 10 10, that time please go to this method, minutes by 11. I hope you understand, sir. Next one. At what times are the hands of a clock a right angle? Right angle means 90 degrees between 7 and 8 a.m. 7 and 8 a.m. So here 90 degrees it is equal to, I given a notes, 90 degrees equal to 15 minutes. The formula is shortcut, 2 methods are there. So first of all you are going to the sum of method. 2 plus 5, it's 7, means wrong answer. 6 plus 6, 12, it is a wrong answer. None of these are in this. So 4 plus 6, how much? 10. And 1 plus 9, 10. So exactly this is the right answer. It is right or wrong, once cross check it. But it is the perfect right answer at the place of numerator value and the whole number value. In the whole number, first digit and means one's place value, sum of equal to 10, equal, and 1 and 9 10. So these both the values are equal, then automatically this is the right answer. No sir, I have the doubt. Okay, I told you this is plus and this is minus. In the method of positive means 90 degrees equal to 15, 7 means 35. So 35 plus 15, 35 plus 15 by 11, it is nothing but 50 of 50 by 11. So answer is 54 of 6 by 11. 54 of 6 by 11 it is. So this is the right answer. So one more answer. Okay, cross check it. 35 minus 15, 35 minus 15 by 11 by 11. So here 20 by 11, it is nothing but 21 of 9 by 11. So both are options in the A. 1. I hope you understand. So better method is when first you go to the sum of methods, sir. In the examination point of view, if you are doubt clarification for this process, go minute by 11 formula. Minute by 11 formula. Okay, next question. Right, at what time between 5:30 and 6 will the hands of a clock at right angles under? Right angle means nothing but 90 degrees. So we need 5:30 to 6. But what about 5 to 6 between? 5 to 6 between. One's positive, one's negative. Please find out. So 5 means 25 plus 15. 25 plus 15 by 11. 25 minus 15, 25 minus 15 by 11. So it means 40 by 11. It is nothing but 43 of 7 by 11 minutes. So here 10 by 11. So 10 by 11, it is less than to do 5 hours 30 minutes. So no need. Why? Because we want to 5:32 between 6. 5:32 between 6. 5:32 between 6 means more than 5 hours 30. More than 5 hours 30 minutes. 43 of 7 by 11. Where in this option? Please check it. Yes, you are the right answer, sir. So 3 plus 7, how much? 10. So remaining parts are not equal to 10. That's why this is the right answer. We can say directly this type of answer. I hope you understand. Right? No, here only one thing, sir. What is the value given in the numerator and the whole number? At the place of whole number, if the given value 2 digit place values, please choose one's place value. Its sum of equal to 10, then it is the right answer. I hope you understand. Right, next question. At which of the following times between 10 and 11 o'clock will the hands of clock be at right angle? Right angle is nothing but 90 degrees. So 10 and 11, 10 and 11 between. So can you cross check it? 8 plus 2, 10, maybe. 8 plus 3, it is 10. 8 plus 3, 11. It is wrong answer. 6 plus 5, 11. It is wrong answer. 38. 8 plus 2, 10. Maybe. In these two answer, 1 and 4. Once check it. So at what times are 10 and 11 o'clock? 10 means how many minutes? 50. 50 plus which degree is 90? 50 plus 15 by 11 means 65 of 65 by 11. It is more than 1 o'clock, means 60 minutes. 1 hour means 60 minutes. Subtract it. Answer is 5 of 5 by 11. So 5 of 5 by 11 is there? No, means positive is not possible. Then you go to the negative method. Negative method. Negative method, 50 minus 15, 50 minus 15 by 11. It is how much, sir? 35 of 35 by 11. It means 38 of 2 by 11. 38 of 2 by 11. This is the answer. So once you check positive and another negative. If positive answer is there, go ahead. If not there, enter into the negative answer. If both the answer given, the previous method we are discussed like that. So better method is that one, at the place of numerator value and whole number value, sum of equal to 10, that is the right answer. Sir, here also came under this answer is not correct answer. Why? Because we need this is the answer, right? I hope you understand. One more question. A clock is set right. A clock is set right at 4 a.m. and the clock loses 20 minutes in 24 hours. What will be the true time or exact time when the clock indicates 3 a.m. on the 4th day? Okay, good. So a clock was set when the first day. Here first day, which time is set? 4 a.m. So first day to second day 4 a.m. between this period is 24 hours. Second day to third day 4 a.m. it is period is 24 hours. And fourth day 3 a.m. So this hour is how much, master? 23 hours. So how much hours here? Actually the period to period 72 hours, but here this totally is 71 hours. This watch is set right. Every 24 hours this loses 20 minutes. 20 minutes. So what about 71 hours? So 71 by 24 into 20 minutes. So fourth table, 4 6 are 24, 4 5 are 20. Now 71. 7 5 1 are 5. 7 5 are 35. 355 by 6 minutes. So sixth table. 6 5s are 30, 55, 6 9s are 54, 59 of 1 by 6 minutes loses. 59 of 1 by 6 minutes loses. Means approximately 1 hour time loses or losses. So 1 hour time losses. The clock is indicate how much, sir? 3 a.m. The clock is indicate on the fourth day 3 a.m. So the clock is indicates on the fourth day 3 a.m. So 3 a.m. plus 1 hour loses. Which watch is loses? Add it. Which watch is gaining? Subtract it. If the watch loses, then the value is add. If the watch is gaining, then subtract. But the watch, what he says, loses. Loses means add. So 1 hour. So the correct time is 4 a.m. 4 a.m. 4 a.m. where? This is the answer. Clear? So today onwards we are discuss each and every topic. Which topic is going to exam to you? Daily based test. So today onwards, please our channel follow. You can, all the questions will be give the clarity. I hope you understand. Thank you. Jai Hind. Mi Badri sir.